Hi guys, and welcome to my bike shed, where old, neglected or unfinished bikes get a new lease on life. Today we build up a retro steel road bike from the ground up. Hope you enjoy the clip. For our first video we have a lovely steel frame in 53 centimeters, which would make it a small to medium size. The previous owner had it powder coated in a nice red tone with some glitter added for sparkle. He also indicated that before powder coating the frame had a Reynolds 531 sticker. Reynolds 531 tubes revolutionised cycling when they were first introduced in 1935. It brought to market a combination of super lightweight and high strength frames that had never before been achieved. There are no markings like serial numbers or pantographs of the frame itself, so it's going to be impossible to pinpoint the builder. However, the frame set together with the forks and headset come to 2.4 kilograms, which puts it square in the Reynolds 531 professional range. The parts we're going with for this frame are mostly Shimano RX100. The RX100 group set was introduced in 1990 and it is essentially the same as the widely known 105 group set from the same vintage but in a different colour scheme. The group set was available in both 7-speed index downtube shifting and 8-speed STI integrated shifting, where the shifters are combined with the brake levers. For this build we have the 7-speed downtube shifter version. For the wheels, we selected a set of Mavic CXP14 rims laced to RX100 hubs. The wheel set is a little dirty but will come up great after a clean and a fresh set of tyres. The wheels are straight and spin smoothly. So let's take another quick look at the frame before we get started with the build. First, let's give all the parts a good clean. Next, we're going to install the bottom bracket and the chain set. With that done, we can start installing the drivetrain parts. Lastly, we install the wheels, brakes, cables, and any other bits and pieces remaining. Finally, we adjust the gears and apply the finishing touches to the build. This includes cable ends, bar tape and saddle.